Hey everyone, this is an update on my LePera Seat. I got the Pillion passenger pad and it will go right here like this, basically. And you know what? It really completes the look, because the Fat Boy originally came with a Pillion pad and I think that's gonna look great. Awesome. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna have to take the old seat off, disconnect this right here, the seat bolt, and then kind of connect the two seats together and relocate the anchor point back to this spot here. It comes with this chrome anchor here for the Pillion pad, but I am thinking of putting the black one on from the original solo seat. See if that works. Might look a little better on black, you know. All right, so we ran into a little problem here. So I do have to keep this one on and put this set up here, the spool washer, and that will click into the back or the front of the seat right there. And then I put the hardware on the back of this one and mount it to that mounting point there. So I'm probably gonna have to go to the Harley dealer or get another one of those anchor points for the fender. So this project's on hold real quick. Okay, so the hardware I need for the Pillion seat finally came in. Took about a week and a headache because they lost it in the mail, and so I had to reorder it. But hopefully today we get this Pillion seat in. So it's kind of the same idea as the last video on a LePera seat I made. You kind of have this groove or key that goes into here to the rear fender hole. And I'm gonna use a zip tie to snake it through up. And hopefully it all lines up and we're good to go. There it is, it's snaked through. And I'm gonna use a C-clip that's provided in the hardware to get it on. So you can see it works decent, it'll hold, but it is not a perfect fit. This is an aftermarket one that I ended up getting off Amazon. So where this one, that's snug, but the seat's gonna hold it in together, so should be all good. So as mentioned previously before, you can see that slot right there on the Pillion seat will slot into this this proprietary washer right there. This right here will go into right here and should be good to go. Okay, so now the seat is on. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Got a day job, so I gotta go, but I'm gonna get better shots of this in the sunshine when I get a chance, so you guys can see it. That's kind of a preview of what it looks like hooked up. Yeah, you need this, or I need this because of my luggage. My girl's probably gonna try to sit on this once in a while. But yeah, it's a 9-inch. It's 9 inches across. I think it makes the bike look a little better. And it comes back to that classic 2-up Fat Boy look, so we are good to go.